hope you all are doing well and everything is fine at your end. Today I am again back with a course Pedagogy of Science Teaching for B.Ed second semester, and the course name is 7A, that is 1.2.7A, and from that course I am going to again teach regarding teaching aids in science. In this that topic several other points are there, and in our previous lesson we have seen that we have discussed regarding what is teaching aids and what are the purpose of teaching aid, and today we are going to discuss regarding classification of teaching aids. Okay, so today our topic of discussion is classification of teaching aids. Classification of teaching aids. Classification of teaching aids, because we have seen that teaching aids are also called as teaching learning material, but that teaching aids have been classified into different categories. Number one, it is categorized as audio aids. Number one is audio aids. Number two is visual aids. Visual aids. Number three is audio visual aids. Audio visual aids. And number fourth category is called as activity aids. Activity aids. So, four types of classification of teaching aids are there. Number one is audio aids. Number two is visual aids. Number three is audio visual aids. And number four is activity aids. These four classification. Now see, under these four category, several types are there. What are those types? Let us discuss regarding that matter. So number 1 point is audio aids. So number 1 point is audio aids. Example of this type, audio means the aids which we can listen, we learn by listening. So number 1 is radio. Number 1 is, under this category, number 1 example is radio. Next one is tape recorder. Tape recorder. Number 3 is gramophone. Although nowadays it is not used, but still, gramophone. It is another type of audio aids. So these types are come under this category. Now next one is visual aids. Next type was visual aids. Visual means the aids which we can see. That is the category which we can see. And this category also again subdivided into four categories. Number 1 is graphics aid. Number 1 is graphics aids. Example of this category is, number 1 is graph. So it is graph. In our science as well as in mathematics, very often we have to use graph. So it is example of graphic aids. Next one, we use chart. Next one, we use chart. Now next, with some kind of pictorial picture. Some pictures we show in our classroom situation. So certain kind of pictures. Now next we use different kind of flashcard also. Flashcard. So all these are example of graphics aid. So all these types comes under this category, that is graphics aid. So it is first category of visual aids. Next one is display board. Next one is display board. So under this category, with the common one we know, that is blackboard, isn't it? Under this category comes number 1, blackboard. Blackboard, that is chalkboard. Blackboard. Now nowadays in place of blackboard we use marker board. That is in our college each and every classroom marker boards are there. No, so marker board. Marker boards. Next example is magnetic board. Magnetic board. And other category is bulletin board. Bulletin board. Like magazine in our college we have some bulletin board. We used to put our wall magazine, that is called bulletin board. So in display board, these are the example of bulletin board. Now next category is 3D aids. In visual aids, next one is 3D aids. That is 3-dimensional aids. So in 3-dimensional aids, very often we use model. No. So models come under this 3D aids. So it is one of the best example of 3D aids. Next one is different kinds of objects. We show different kinds of objects in our classroom situation. So all these objects come under 3D aids. Next one is specimens. In our, especially in our life science teaching, in our life science laboratory, you have seen different kind of specimen. So those are the example of 3D aids. So this one 3D aids. Now other aids are also there. Other aids. Other aids. In this category, in other aids, what comes? Number 1 comes film strip. Film strip. Next, different kind of projector we use during our the teaching learning situation. Like number 1, slide projector. Slide projector. Next one, previously we used to use that overhead projector. Overhead projector also. Then we know that different other type is LCD projector, then DLP projector. So LCD projector also there. Then DLP projector. And another last one is epidiascope. Another type is epidiascope. Epidiascope. So number 1 is film strip, number 2 is slide projector, number 3 is overhead projector, number 4 is LCD, number 5 is DLP, and number 6 is epidiascope. So all these 4 category comes under visual aids. Now number 3rd was audio visual aids. No, which we can listen and as well as we can see. Audio visual aids. That is, these aids we can see as well as we can listen also. So number 1 point is And number one example is television, isn't it? By seeing television and listening television, many things we can learn. So it is one of the important type of audiovisual aids, that is television. Now next one is videotape. Previously it is used very much, that videotape. And another category is cinema. From cinema, different kind of documentary, we learn many things. So audiovisual, under this category, television, videotape, cinema, all these are example of audiovisual aid. Now last one was activity aids. Like see, we sometimes activity aids. Activity is by doing some activity we learn sometimes. Those are also our some teaching aids. Like sometimes we go for field trip, no? Field trip, and going to field trip we learn many things. Sometimes we go to excursion also. Excursion. Then we have to take part in certain kind of exhibition, especially in science. Exhibition. So it is another example. Then sometimes we have to do some experimentation. Experiment we have to do. So experimentation. This is another example of our activity aids. So all these are comes under the category of activity aids. And another more last one is computer assistant instruction, CAI. This is also another example of activity aids. So all these are the example of 4 kinds of teaching aids. You please learn this one. This is very important because all these aids are very useful in our teaching learning situation. Especially in case of science, we have to have use all these kind of teaching aids. So all this much only for classification of teaching aids. And next, in our next class, we are going to discuss regarding other points regarding teaching aids in science. Thank you.